Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode's cool right here, and basically what this is a mini compact refrigerator. You can see it from this brand right here, RCA. And the cool thing about this refrigerator is the fact that it's really small and compact, as you can see. So not as big as your normal refrigerator. And also for this refrigerator, it gives you guys the option to use a reversible door. So if you guys want to put it this side or you guys want to put it this side to actually open up, you can definitely set up how you guys want to. And also for this product, it gives you guys a mini freezer option as well. But see right here, they mention some other specs that's on here as well. So they mention how there's adjustable thermostat, there's a slide out shelf, there's a 2-liter bottle door bracket, and it has an adjustable feet option. So this is basically what the outside looks like. When we turn it on this side right here, I'll show you guys some more information about the product right here. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you can see the product is all well packaged and everything. It definitely has the protection layer on here. Let's take it out and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you guys take off the strap, it's really easy to take it out. All you need to do is just lift off the box. Alright, so you see that once we take out from the box, this is basically what the product looks like. So I'm actually remove all this protective layer here first. Alright, so you see that once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So the overall package and everything is pretty cool. If you see, it's very easy to actually take it out. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to actually change the way how you guys open up the door, you definitely can. So you guys want to take off this part right here and put it over here, you can definitely open it the other way like that. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys get it. So when you open it up, this is basically what the inside looks like. You can see it's very spacious. So you definitely have this option right here, you have this option right here, and you also have the bottom option as well. And then right here we have the little freezer compartment if you guys want to use this option. So if you guys open it up, you guys can see that it's actually really small. It's not that big, but definitely give you guys the option to pull it back this way, so that way it's actually hold it like that. And on this side right here, you see they have a lot of slots for you guys to put stuff as well. So that's one compartment here, one compartment here, one compartment here, and one compartment here. So right here is mainly ideal if you guys want to put like soda. And they do have the adjustable thermostat right here if you guys want to adjust like, the temperature on here for the freezer option. And then the cool thing about this compartment right here is the fact that if you guys want to adjust this part to bring up or down, so let's say if you guys want to take this one out and push it up here, you definitely can. Let me actually do a quick demo to show you guys what I mean. So if I want to take it out, you definitely pull it like this. So that way you can adjust it to make it higher or lower, which is pretty convenient. And for this part right here, it's actual glass. So you definitely want to be careful when you guys move it back and forth. And then bottom part here, they have the instruction manual. And they also probably got some of these accessories as well, such as a little ice scraper and also an ice cube tray as well. So let me close it back up and show you guys what the back part looks like. Alright, so this is basically what the back part looks like. So you basically want to take out this cable here and plug it into your wall outlet to generate power onto the product. But this is basically what the back part looks like right here. And then obviously on the bottom part, they do have the non-slip material. So once you guys set it up, it won't keep moving around. When you guys take a look at the bottom part, this is basically what it actually looks like. So when you guys first get the product, it might not be level. So you probably need to adjust the bottom part with the black part right here and right here to make it leveled. So what I'm doing right now is take off this part right here. Once you guys take off that part, then you guys are ready to start using it. So when we open it up, you guys can definitely turn this part on. So if it's first time using the product, you definitely want to turn it on number 5 and leave it on for maybe around like 24 to 48 hours. And then you guys can start using the product inside. Alright, so it's on the next day now. Let's check it out and see how it works. So all I want to do is use my tester that we have right here to check the temperature inside. Alright, so once we open the refrigerator, I can definitely feel the cold air come out like immediately. But let's check the temperature inside. Alright, so you see the temperature inside is 42 degrees. So it is pretty cold inside, so it definitely does work. So what I want to do right now is to actually adjust it back to number 3 since we don't need to do number 5. We only need to adjust it to number 5 if you guys want to freeze stuff inside, but we don't need to. So we just adjusted to number 3, so definitely put stuff inside now. Alright, so we got a bunch of stuff right here. Let's start putting some stuff inside to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, see that we put a bunch of stuff inside right here. But let's bring the camera a little bit closer to show you guys another point of view of the product. So you see we have things set up right here, we have things set up right here, and then we have some stuff inside right here. And then for this compartment right here, if you guys want to put soda cans, you definitely can. So for example, if you guys go like this, it holds it in pretty nice. And then for the other one, you basically want to drop it inside right here. So if you guys want to drop it in here like that, you definitely can. Or if you guys want to do it a safer way, you can definitely go like this as well. So that way you don't have to drop it from the top, you guys can push it up like that. But you see that once we put so much stuff in here, there's still a lot of space to put a lot of stuff inside here as well. So it's definitely very spacious when you guys use this part right here. It's really cool how it has the adjustable option. So if you guys want to raise it up or raise it down, You can definitely adjust it however you guys want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want a small compact refrigerator to use maybe in your apartment, or if you guys are in your own room and you guys want to organize your own stuff so that way you guys know where everything is. You can definitely get one of these small compact refrigerators to put your own stuff in here. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.